Hey guys, Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited that you're here because in this video, I'm going to talk about how to leverage automated income vehicles to create passive income. If you don't really understand what an automated income vehicle is, what it is it's some type of system that it automates the collection of money, right? But it also does some other things like presenting, etc., 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 for you in your business. Okay, that's what the automated income vehicle is. And the passive part comes in with where you can walk away from actually being in your business, right? You could literally not be there. And your system could be collecting payments for you. It could be presenting, showing people more about the product, service, or opportunity. And that's what I have in place in my business. So I am with a program called $25 One Up, and it allows me to earn commissions of 125, 250, 500, and $1,000. Okay, and I love getting those $1,000 commissions a lot. Okay, but yes, it allows me to earn all those different commission levels. And last night at around 12:15 a.m. Okay, this is my Facebook. Okay, um, I woke up, I slept in today till 11, right? And I woke up and I rolled over and I had a payment notification. It said, hey, got $125. And what I want to do is kind of talk about that whole process of setting up your own automated income vehicle system that can bring you passive income. Okay, so for me, one of the things that I have done since I've come online is I've kept my process hella simple. I've done the same thing to make over almost $30,000 with this work from home system, and I've actually used the same method across everything that I promote. Okay, so what I did was, when I came online, I made a decision that I was going to let the little spammy people who are spammers be posting their company logos. I was going to let people just go into groups and just keep being spammers, dropping links and inboxes. But I was going to do things differently. I was going to do things differently. I was going to do things in a simplified way, and I was going to be consistent. And it made all the difference. So what I do is myself and my tribe, I teach them the same exact process. We commit to a core process of 6 core daily commitments. Okay, we do these core commitments, and we don't have to be all day in our business. Typically, we take 1 to 2 hours a day. We do these simple core commitments, and then we're on about our day. And what happens is a few things happen. People, as a result of what we do in our business and the consistency of that, people are watching what we're doing, people are reaching out, and people are joining. Okay, we don't have to chase people. I don't have to chase people. So last night, this person watched one of my presentations, or they watched one of my simple videos because I'm a video marketer. Like there's no secret, right? I love making simple videos that while I'm asleep, people are watching my presentations. While I'm asleep, people are going into my system. While I'm asleep, people are purchasing. And that's the leverage and the power that you have from a system that can present for you when you're away from it. And you can literally be positioned to wake up to commissions. You can literally be positioned to be on vacation, and someone could be, while you're on vacation, going through your system, making a decision that, oh, I like what I see. I like how this works. I like the bonuses. I like this. I like that. I'm going to go ahead and purchase that. And that's exactly what this system allows me to be able to do. That's true passive leverage, where I don't have to always be in my business, but my business behind the scenes is always working for me via this system. Okay, so that's it. I teach the people that I partner with to keep things simple, but to do impactful things in their business that gives them the greatest amount of visibility, leads, results. Okay, and yes, the core of that is Facebook and video marketing. Okay, so there is a strategy behind it. When people partner with me at platinum or higher, they get access to those 6 core commitments that we do, and then we let the system behind the scenes, the automated income vehicle, go to work, presenting first when we're not even there, allowing someone to go into your system at 12:15 a.m. and purchase something, and you wake up to commissions. Or you're, like last week I did a post, and I think I have it somewhere here. I was at my cousin's graduation, and I got a message. Somebody was like, "Hey, I'm about to purchase $1,000 package." Okay, I didn't have to sit there and present to them. I didn't have to tell them anything at all. They went through my system and watched it. So these are the things that you can do when you have an automated income vehicle. And while we're talking about it, one thing that I want to point out is if there was never a time when people needed to build automated income vehicles, now is the time. Now is the time to start putting mechanisms in place so that you have streams that can literally bring in income to you, and you only have to do a few simple things daily and just allow the system to work for you. Okay, so that's that. So I don't know where I put that post at, but yeah, there is a post on my wall, and I shared that with my audience about how I was at the graduation, and boom, the $1,000 commission came in. And then the day before that, I had a $900 commission came in. Then the day before that, I had a $500 commission come in. So this system, I love this system. I love it. So that's it. Here's the deal. If you're watching this and you're like, hey, I want to learn more about this automated income vehicle, put in your best email. The information be beneath so I can connect with you. And also shoot me a message on Facebook and say, hey, Shen, just wanted to connect this, that, and the third. Let's connect. Okay. I'm a real person. Got a real number in the comment section. If I don't answer, leave me a message. So yeah, let's connect. If you're ready to get started, position yourself where you want to get started, right? So you can position yourself, several income levels. There's the $1,000 level where I am. There's the $500, there's $250, and there's platinum, which is $125. For my team, for my tribe, if you're like, hey, I want to learn exactly how you do what you do, what's your daily routine look like to be able to do this? I give that to people when they partner with me at platinum or higher. Okay, most people who partner with me start at diamond. I just wanted to make that clear. But you could certainly start at platinum. But most people in my tribe start at diamond. And the reason for that is because most people that partner with me are business builders over extra income earners. They want to actually learn how to build a business. And if you can make $250 a day, you're a business, okay, versus extra income. Okay, so that's that. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and purchase your package. Shoot me a message and say, hey, I purchased my package, and I will make sure you get your blueprint, and you get plugged into my tribe. Every Thursday, I'm doing social media training, so it's not like, oh, you just given some training. It's like, good luck. Good luck. I hope you make it. Right? No. Every Thursday, I show up for my tribe. They can ask me any question that they have under the universe, live, right? And then I showed them how to make social media work for them. And the great thing is many of my business partners also have other business opportunities, and they're taking these same exact strategies and they're making it work in their other business streams too. And I'm like, boom, there you go. There's your full-time income. Okay. So that's it. Smash the subscribe button, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.